Acts 16, verse 1 to 8. When the Sabbath was past, Mary Magdalene and Mary, the mother of James, and Salome bought spices and that they might come and anoint him. Very early in the morning, on the first day of the week, they came to the tomb when the sun had risen. But they said to themselves, "Who will roll away the stone from the door of the tomb for us?" But when they looked up, they saw that the stone had been rolled away, for it was very large. But they said to and entering to the tomb, they saw a young man clothed in a long white robe sitting on the right side, and they were alarmed. But he said to them, "Do not be alarmed. You seek Jesus of Nazareth, who was crucified. He is risen. He is not here. See where the place they laid him. But go tell his disciples and Peter that they will go he is going to before you into Galilee." They were, and there you will see him as he said to you. So they went out quickly and fled from the tomb, for they were trembled and were amazed. For they said to them nothing, and they said nothing to anyone, for they were afraid.